Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues with your Motorola headphones. So take a look, they are visible on available devices list, but when I tap on them once, after a few moments I can find at the bottom of my screen notification that they cannot communicate with my phone. And how we can fix it? First of all, I can recommend you to go back from the settings, then turn off Bluetooth on your phone. And right now just be sure that your headphones are turned off. In my case they are turned off because the indicator is not activated. And next we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. And by the way, it will be not visible on the video because this indicator in my case is broken, so you will not see that. So you have to click and hold, take a look for this small indicator. Okay, so right now they are blinking blue and red, and we have to simply turn on Bluetooth back, enter the Bluetooth settings and select pair new device. Take a look for available devices list. Try to pair them right now. Accept request. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.